if you say you have one of these quantum error correcting codes that goes from more to fewer, and you can, and then you say that the
These aren't like, as much as these are information videos, these are like, you know, discussions. But anyway,
entropy, which the quantum extremal surface formula is computing, is the entropy in the fundamental description, then you can just compute it directly in the fundamental. We can make a model where you can compute it directly in the fundamental description, and you get the same answer you would have gotten from the quantum extremal surface calculation applied to Hawking's picture.
I see.
And so you see the information goes up, the entropy goes up, the entropy goes down.
Like, it's not that Hawking is wrong. It's just that Hawking is only right in a closed space. Okay? And the reason that it is only right in a closed space, is because thermodynamics is correct. Right? And that's apparent. Is it matterful if it equals 0? 0 is important. If you fucking change a 0 or a 1 in your registry just out of the mistake, you're gonna fucking equal, sad face, right? Oh shit, now I accidentally changed how my process and bus information transfers within the system. And now all of a sudden my fan won't shut up even if I try and turn it down manually, right?
And moreover, and this is really, I think, nice, you could show that any deviation from the effective field theory description of is going on is exponentially small unless you do something exponentially complicated.
It doesn't have to be complicated.
And so, I would say that, I mean, that was.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be complicated, but it can be that from, let's just say, now we refine. I get a lot of complaints when I write my math, even though when you look at it, you're like, what the fuck is going on? And then when you have a look at it, you're like, oh, okay. All right, okay. You know what I mean? Because I do PEMDAS, right? Whether people like it or not, they call me a paper waster, it doesn't matter. Right? Now we have a refine. Right? Now we can just say that will equal 0. Right? And now we can say it can equal or, because, right, now let's just say interactive in this point, we can just say change. Okay? Change plus 0 equals. All right. Like the first worry on any scientist's mind when they finally get this far on the equation is equals Boomba.